Hidden uses of onions that few people know about. We all know that onions have a strong smell and can make us cry when we cut them. But what many people don't know is that onions have various surprising uses that go far beyond their traditional use in the kitchen. Today, I'll share with you some amazing uses of onions that you probably didn't know about. 1. If you're tired of onions making you tear up while chopping, this trick is going to be a game changer for you. After peeling the onion, just soak it in cold water for about 15 seconds. Then chop as usual. The water neutralizes the sulfur in the onion, which is what causes the tears, allowing you to cut without any problems or tears. 2. Have you ever burned yourself while cooking? Onions can be your best friend in these cases. If you get a minor burn, cut a piece of fresh onion and gently rub it over the affected area. The natural compounds in onions will help soothe the burn and prevent infection. 3. Are mosquitoes bothering you? Onions can also help keep them away. To make a natural repellent, chop a good amount of onion into pieces and place them in a container with hot water. Let it sit for an hour. After that, strain the liquid and pour it into a spray bottle. Now you have an effective and natural repellent to use whenever you need it. 4. Does your cutting board have a lingering, unpleasant smell after cutting meat or garlic? Rubbing half an onion over the surface can help remove that odor that soap just can't get rid of. 5. This is a lesser-known but highly effective trick. Take an onion, cut it in half, and place it inside a sock that you wear on your feet before going to bed. Although it sounds strange, the sulfur in the onion penetrates through the skin and acts as a natural purifier, helping to eliminate toxins and bacteria from the body. This traditional remedy, widely used in Asia, can be especially helpful for treating colds and nasal congestion. If you also want to know some hidden uses of hydrogen peroxide, you can't miss this next video. Click here to watch.